Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the FlatLay throw pillow mockup in PIxlr. First, go to PIxlr.com in any web browser, PIxlr.com. It'll give you a couple of options. We're going to click on Playful Pixlr X, and then we'll click on this Open Image button right here on the left side and open our mockup. It's going to ask us if we want to resize the image. We don't want to do that, so we'll just click on Original to open the full-size image. And then to add your design, you want to look at the icons on the left-hand side, and this bottom one that says Add Image when you hover over it. You want to click on the Add Image icon, and then click on Browse to find a design off your computer. Then click Choose to open your design. It's going to ask you if you want to add the image to a new document or as a layer in the current document. So we'll click Add Current. And then we'll probably want to resize that. So to do that, we'll hold down the Shift key and then click in any of the four corners and just drag it in to make it smaller. Dragging it out will make it bigger. And then when you've got it sized down, you can just hover over it and you'll see this 4 arrow tool. Now you can just click and drag it in place. And then when it looks good, you just click this Save button at the bottom here. And then if you want to use it as a thumbnail like on Etsy, you want to save a JPEG version, so make sure the JPEG tab is clicked. I changed the quality to 100, make sure it's on high, and then just click Download. It's just going to let you know that the image was saved to the default download folder on your device, and it'll even give you an option to change that folder if you want to. You could also click Save Again and save a PXD file if you want an original layered PIxlr document. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the throw pillow mockup in PIxlr. Please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.